So we're coming to the end of the MoonsMOOC presentation now. I hope you've been enjoying it. Here with me to sort of wrap up our thoughts on how it's been going is Jack Wright, who's been the other educator this time round.
Hi,
Jack,
hi MoonsMOOCers.
Jack, this was your first time. How have you found it?
I've really enjoyed the course and I've really enjoyed my experience as being the educator. It's really interesting seeing the perspectives of different people who've come from a different background as myself. I mean, I work on planetary science every day, but it's nice to see other people's reactions to some of the images that I get to look at every day.
And we're speaking now in week 7. That's my favourite week, I think, because we're looking at the icy moons again. What have been the highlights of the course for you, Jack?
Well, I enjoyed week 1 whenever we were looking at the moons in general, and we got to see things like important processes like how tidal heating works. That straightened out a lot of issues that I had with the process to begin with. And I actually really enjoyed the middle weeks looking at the moon, getting to see the Apollo footage that actually I haven't seen so far. I thought that was really interesting. And now, as you say, we're coming back to look at moons in the rest of the solar system. So I think the course is great throughout, and I think the learners on the MOOC will agree.
I hope so. But the bit that people seem to struggle most with is the virtual microscope and thinking they have to really understand the mineralogy. We're just trying to give people a taste there of the kind of things you can try to find out with thin sections.
Absolutely. There were many comments where people were getting bogged down in the geology, and I think petrology in particular is quite difficult. But that wasn't the main message from the course. It's just look at how we can look at rocks in hand specimen in front of us and compare that to what we can see in its microstructure under the microscope, and we can look at different things to see how these rocks have evolved and how they're different from rocks that we have on Earth. And it's just the broad scale pictures that we wanted to take away.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, thanks, Jack, and bye-bye, everybody.